If you're getting views and clicks, that means you're close to getting leads, and leads means you're making revenue. But you can't earn any revenue if you don't know how to get views and clicks, and how to convert them into leads. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can get targeted people, who will click on your CPA link. Then the chances are that they will be converted into leads, and you'll earn revenue. So before we move into that, make sure you give a thumbs up to this video. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so come over to CPAGrip.com, and most of you guys probably have an account on this network, or if you don't have an account, then you can check out my other CPA marketing tutorial, and you'll find how to create a free account. Okay, so once you guys logged into your account, then we want to go to the offer tools, then we want to go to my offers. Now before we pick any offer from here, you want to come to this website called Linktree. And the reason why you want to come to this website is because we want to list a couple of CPA offers into one place, into one link. And we will do that using this Linktree website. We will send traffic to this Linktree website, instead of sending traffic directly to our CPA offer. So once you come to this website, then you want to click this button Sign Up Free. Then here you'll type a username, then you'll put your email, and you want to create your free account. And after logging into your account, then this is how you'll see the dashboard. So we want to list here a couple of different CPA offers. And to do that, you'll click here Add New Link. And then you want to come to the CPAGrip website. Now what we actually want to do, we want to pick CPA offers for different countries. So at first you want to choose the US country here. And for the offer you want to pick a PayPal gift card offer. Then you want to copy the title from here, then come back to the Linktree, and here we want to paste it as the title. Then go to the CPAGrip again, and copy the link. Then you'll paste it here as the link. Now here you can see it says unsafe URL, and also you can see the link is way too long. So we want to make this URL look safe, and we want to make this URL a tiny shorter. And we can do that using this website called tinyurl. And here you can see it says enter a long URL to make a tiny URL. And this is where you'll paste the long CPA link. Then you'll click here Make Tiny URL. And as you can see it's now become a short tiny URL. So you want to click here Copy. Then you'll come back to the Linktree, and you'll delete this URL, and you'll paste the tiny URL. And now you can see it's no longer showing that it is an unsafe URL. Now one more thing we want to do here, since this offer is only for the US country, so you want to type US at the beginning of the title just like this. Okay, so we've just added one offer, and it's only for the US country. So now what you want to do, you want to add more CPA offers for more different countries. So come back to the CPAGrip, and this time the country you'll choose is the United Kingdom. And then from here you'll pick another gift card offer, and you'll go through the exact same process to add another list here. So you can see I've added some more different CPA offers for different countries, and you want to do this exact same thing, and you want to make a list just like this. And once you've done making this list, then you'll click here Share, and you want to copy this link. Now if we visit that link, then you can see that this is how people will see when they'll visit your link. And when they'll click on one of these offers, then they'll be redirected to your CPA offer from here. Okay, so we have now our Linktree ready with different CPA links, and now we want to send traffic to this page. But we're not just going to tell people that, hey, check this link, and grab your $750 PayPal gift card. We're not going to do that. Yes, we will do that, but this time we will do that in a tricky way. But before I show you that, if you think that you're learning something valuable guys, then go ahead and simply tap the like button down below. I need 500 likes to this video as soon as possible. Okay, so let's come to the point. So we want to bring traffic to this page, and to do that, at first you'll simply come over to Facebook. Then here in the search box you'll type shopping coupons. Using these keywords we will get shopping related groups, and coupons related groups, and after that we want to filter out only groups. And check this out, We're now getting only shopping and coupons related groups here, and each of these groups has thousands of members. So what you wanna do, you wanna join to some of these groups first, and once you guys opened a group, then we want to make a post here. But remember, I told you that we're not gonna say hey click this link and win a PayPal gift card. No, we will not do that. We will bring people to our CPA offers in a tricky way. So what actually you wanna say here? You wanna say something like this. How I saved $750 on Amazon. We all shop online these days for a variety of things. But what if you could shop without spending hundreds of dollars from your pocket? Yes guys, it is possible. You can shop without spending up to $1,000 out of pocket. If you want to know more about it, here's what you need to do. Like this post and share it with your friends. Message me your country name. Then I will send you the detail as soon as possible. And this is what you want to say. You can see we're not sharing any links here. And that way you'll be safe from getting blocked from any group. And you can see we asked them to message with their country name. Now why do we need to know their country name? For two reasons we want their country name. The first reason, we're giving them something so that they can start messaging with us. And the second reason is, when they'll send you their country name, then you'll immediately come to your Linktree page, and if you haven't listed an offer of that country, then you'll immediately come to the CPAGrip website. And you want to find out that country here, and you want to take an offer of that country. Then you'll add that offer to your Linktree page just like these offers. So that way you can convert each of your traffic into leads. And if you'd like to watch more CPA marketing videos, then don't ignore these videos. Go ahead and check them now. And make sure you dropped a simple like to this video, and I'll see you there.